Ano mangyari dyan?
What's that?
Welcome to our nice avenue. Yan na, sabayan niyo ako pagpunta sa aking bahay. Dating bahay.
The crib.
This is my crib.
Jeff's crib.
Benavides pa lang pala. Try mo na ba yung white?
Aga mo naman pumasok.
Oo, na-miss ko yung branch namin. Oh, miss ko mag-open ng account. Open kayong account ha?
Namimiss ka ba nila?
Maintaining $20,000.
Wow! Maintaining ha?
Sige, pagbangko na lang kami.
Mataas ang interest. Mataas ang interest, 50% interest.
50% interest?
Sila yung mga ka-branch ko.
Mag-open ng account?
Mag-open ng account.
20,000 maintaining balance.
Mag-open ako $21,000.
Dollars.
Dollars.
Man, dollars? Singaporean dollars?
No.
Euro.
No.
Philippine dollar.
Sama ko.
Hong Kong dollar.
Hong Kong dollars. How about Philippine dollars? Do you have some?
I don't have.
You have some?
I have euro.
You have Mickey Mouse money?
Pounds?
Do you accept Philippine
Philippine
euro?
pounds? Philippine pounds? Euro.
Oh, Philippine euro?
Philippine pound for pound cake.
Pagplanuhan po natin paano natin nirarab. This is where I belong before.
Alam niyo na ang ating
Don't you
ano
know that you
Alam niyo na modus?
belong,
Oo, alam niyo.
baby? Don't belong eh, no?
Bye-bye! Bye-bye, our
Bye-bye, our
nice
nice
friend!